News from the markets. There is some good news, a silver lining today. Hina, we believe the markets have hit a 3-month high today.
Well, absolutely, Maya. It turned out to be a stellar day on the Lal Street today with Nifty, closing above 8,600 level, first time since April 2015. Even Sensex 2 was higher by about 250 odd points. Now, a couple of reasons out there. One, of course, we are seeing positive sentiment all across in the global markets as well. Europe is doing pretty good today. Asian markets were up as well. So that's lending some sort of a positive support to the Indian equity markets as well. Second reason, of course, as you were mentioning earlier about the petrol fuel price change that we've seen coming in last night. So because of that, the oil marketing companies, the entire oil and gas sector was doing pretty well today. And also now, the future prospect that going forward, we are likely to see oil prices even getting lower. So for us also, oil is going to get even cheaper going forward. So that's also lending a positive sentiment to the markets out here. Third and the most important news that came today was the cabinet decision on the composite cap on FDI, which has been approved by the cabinet today. That really, pulled the market up significantly. Now, it was the banking space in particular which really led this kind of an up move or a positive sentiment in the market that we saw today. What it essentially means is that cabinet has given an approval to an announcement which was made by the finance minister in the budget. Now, there is going to be more clarity when it comes to foreign investments coming into India. Earlier, there were two, foreign investment was in 2-3 different parts. There was an FPI, there was an FII. So, now there is some clarity which has come in. A composite cap has been, introduced in FDI. So that's a positive thing. And hence, all the banks were clearly on fire because of it. And that's the reason why we saw such a super strong day on the Lal Street today.
Right, Hina. Thanks very much for joining us with all those details. We'll take a very quick break at that and come back to the